everyone, welcome back to the Briar Patch. My name is Vicki and today we are in my kitchen for Make It Yourself Monday. I am going to be sharing a recipe for eye makeup remover pads that are made with Young Living essential oil. A couple years ago I decided to change up some of the things that I was using because my skin became real sensitive, and I came across Young Living oils and I started using them and I absolutely love them. I'm sitting here at my kitchen island and next to me I have my diffuser going. I still don't want to let go of winter and I'm diffusing Christmas spirit with orange. It smells so good in here. And then I have my water bottle next to me and I have lime in it today. So this recipe is really easy to make. Let me show you the things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need V6 vegetable oil complex, witch hazel, distilled water, lavender essential oil, a little container to put your cotton rounds in, about 10 cotton rounds, and a tablespoon measure. I will insert into this video a picture I took of the ingredient list of eye makeup remover wipes when I was at the store. I took a picture of it and you can't even pronounce, I think the first thing in there was water, but after that you can't pronounce anything that's in there, and I don't want that stuff going on my skin. And in this there's 4 ingredients and you can pronounce all the names. This is great to use before bed. You know, the lavender is so calming and soothing and it really works great. I wear a lot of eye makeup and it takes it off great. So let's get started. So you're going to take your container, take the lid off, and you're going to add 2 tablespoons of the V6 vegetable oil complex to your glass container. There's 1. 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to add 4 drops of the lavender essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of the witch hazel. Add that in. 2 tablespoons of the distilled water. Okay, so that's all added to my little jar. You're gonna put the lid back on and you're gonna shake it up just to mix everything in. Okay, take the lid off. And then you're gonna add your cotton rounds into the glass jar. Push them in slowly. Kind of squeeze them in. And then you just kind of want to, may even want to store this upside down for a little bit, you know, just so all the pads pick up some of the liquid. Okay, so to use these, at night, because you want to cleanse your face really good to get all the pollutants and everything off your face before you go to bed. You're going to take one cotton round out and you're going to squeeze out the excess liquid and then just gently rub it over your eyes, and that will take off all of the eye makeup that you have on. Cleanse your face really good and make sure you moisturize. And of course, as a dental hygienist, I'm supposed to tell you to go brush and floss your teeth also. And that's it. Easy. You make the pennies to make this. I hope you'll give it a try. I'm so glad that you stopped by, and I hope to have a video every Monday where we make something, whether it's craft related, food related. Just try to check back every Monday. I'll try to have a video for you. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope I inspired you to go create something that you'll enjoy using. Have a great day.